folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight we're going to put together a Thai pork salad called Moo Manao. And Moo in Thai means pork, and Manao is lime juice. So it's a lime, spicy, roasted pork, fried pork salad. It's absolutely delicious, spicy, and I'm going to show you just how easy this one is to put together. So let's make this thing happen. Alright, we're going to start this dish out with some thinly sliced pork shoulder. Looks pretty fatty, but the fat will cook off, I guarantee you. There can be no problem with that. But I'm going to lay up all this pork into a fry pan and brown it off. There's no seasonings yet, but the seasonings will follow. And when they do, this is going to be some magic for you. This is exciting, it really is, and it's a delicious dish. So get these up there, we're going to brown off the pork. And once we've got this pork browned up, we're going to start flavoring it up. First step in this, after this pork is fried up, we're going to put in a little bit of black pepper, and then we're going to put in some chopped garlic and some picky new peppers. I put 10 of them in there and 5 cloves of garlic. This is going to be spicy. Chopped them up, throw it in there. Don't want to brown that garlic off, it'll make it better. And we're going to give this thing a stir around the block. Make sure that all of these flavors infuse with the pork. And as we're cooking this off, I'm kind of flipping around, mixing up the picky new peppers and the garlic, seasoning that meat off real nice. Very, very, very flavorful. This smells coming off this frying pan are spicy and garlic, and oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. Now we're going to put in some 3 crab fish sauce. That's my go-to brand. Looks like I'm putting a lot in there, but about 2 tablespoons. There it is, fish sauce, just basic fish sauce. Now, the magical point of this is we're going to go in here, put some tomatoes in. I'm not going to really cook the tomatoes. I'm just going to lay them up there and let this dish cool down because it is a salad. But I just like to bring some of the flavor of the tomato out. And after I've got that done, I'm going to put in some rice powder. This is dried rice powder. Now that everything's cooked, I'm going to take it, put it on a cutting board, slice the pork up, and once I have all the pork sliced thinly, I'm going to put it back into the pan with the residue of the picky new peppers, the garlic, and the fish sauce. I'm going to put a little bit more fish sauce in there. I just think it needs it. This is going to be a salad, you see. Now, the lime. This is the quintessential part of this dish because it is a lime and pork dish. So I would recommend about 4 limes in this particular segment here, and we're going to just squeeze those off the old-fashioned way. And once you get that lime in there, we're going to let this rest. We're going to slice off some cilantro and some red onion. Now this isn't cooking right now, this is just sitting there and it's steeping. I'm going to let this keep working, and once it's all the flavors have infused, we're going to put it over some romaine lettuce, and we will have then created some kind of magic. So we'll look at the taste test next. Here we go. Alright folks, we've just finished up this Moo Manao lime Thai spicy salad. I put it on some romaine lettuce. Got all the flavors of Thailand right there. I'm going to give this a bite and see how this came out. Oh wow, that is spicy and good. Folks, you want something unusual? A nice little Thai salad on romaine lettuce. I don't think you can do better than this. I really appreciate you stopping by, checking out what I'm doing. a really exotic dish. Thanks for watching, and as always, bon appetit.